everybody, welcome back to D&D Hobby Farm. What else is he? I got this tree watering bag at Tractor Supply yesterday, and I'm going to try to put it on a peach tree. It's kind of leaning a little bit, so I don't know how well it's going to work. And hopefully she stays out of the way. I don't know if my tree's tall enough. You stay here. What? Wait for me. I'll walk then. Willow. Wait. Okay, thank you. Okay, that was difficult. I'm gonna have to look more into that. I don't think my tree is big enough, but now all I gotta do is put water in it. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna wait and put water in it later because it's already really hot this morning. So I'll come back later and put water in it and see how it does. Okay, so another thing on my list today is to set the incubators up, which I feel like I'm way behind on. My hair does this every day. I don't know how to fix it. Anyway, I lost track of what I was saying. Setting up the incubators. This is where in my kitchen is the eggs I gotta put in there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you our new spot. Ta-da! Which I gotta get it moved back in this corner, but I was moving stuff out of the way last night and then I stepped in that pile of sawdust, so I gotta sweep it up. Anyway, this whole room was gonna be for reptiles and hatching the chickens and quail, but due to the road coming through, I am selling all the reptiles, and if we end up staying, this will be probably my little one's room, but I might have a little section blocked off for the incubators in my desk, because for a newborn it's a good size room, but I don't know. It's up in the air right now because we're waiting to see what happens. But while we wait, I decided that I'm not just going to sit here and stop trying to homestead. I'm going to keep going for it, which is why we started planting things. Okay, I got to clean this off. It's all reptile stuff. Scoot it over back to the corner where it's supposed to go, and get the incubator set up. I'm going to try to put them here on this side because there's a little slot. Yeah, anyway, When I get it set up, I'll come back. All right, I have them set up finally. It's all cleaned off, and I just got them turned on and filled them up with water. This room's a little warm right now because it's supposed to be in the 90s today, so I'm gonna wait for later to put eggs in them and see how the humidity does throughout the day, and fill them later tonight. So excited. Oops, wrong button. Okay, so I forgot to come back on here yesterday and update y'all. I left three spots open in each incubator, so we have 38 eggs. 3 spots isn't a lot, but I didn't want them to be completely cram-packed when they hatch, because we always end up having one getting trampled. So I probably should have left a couple more spots empty, but oh well, I'll do that next time for sure. So we got 38 eggs. They're all Easter eggers. 2 eggs. These dark ones are black copper Marans. The rest are Easter eggers. So we have 2 black copper Marans, and then the rest, I guess 36 Easter eggs. Whatever hatches will be up for grabs. And this is my desk. I got my lemon trees up there. Sorry, stuff outside is under construction, so that's what all that mess is. But I'm super excited about these, and pretty soon we'll have hatching eggs available also. So thanks for watching. I am going to update y'all on my tree. I didn't get to finish that yesterday, so I'll be back with that. Okay, I'm going to move this from this tree. It's been weeks. I've been meaning to do this a long time ago. Sorry about the wind. It's really windy today. I'm not going to be able to show me putting it on the other tree because I forgot my thing that holds my phone, and so I don't have anywhere to put my phone to record me, but I'm gonna move this to one of my parents' trees because these limbs are in the way and the bag can't stand up properly like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna get it moved and then I'll come back on. Here's our garden space. I think the main thing coming up is weeds, but there's the lights my sister put up. There's only 3 of them. Here's another one. Oh, my little piggy. Hey, Wilbur. Soaking up the sun, huh? Anyway, I'm gonna get it put on that tree there. That one's pretty green, so I'm gonna put it on this one here. Okay, there it is. On the tree the proper way. And the hose will go in here and we'll fill it up. And it's supposed to last, I think it's 5 to 9 hours or something like that. I forget. I'll have to go back and read the paper if I can find it. But I'm gonna fill it up. No water on the inside. It's all in the back. You see it slowly filling up. My water hose is about to fly out. Alright, I believe it's full. I'm gonna give Wilbur some water. He's out. He gets it so dirty. Wilbur! So here's what's left out of the incubators. They hatched on today's the 30th, and they hatched on the 18th and 19th. And they're still I went back to work, so lose track of things pretty easily, and I've just been really busy. Plan today is to clean these out and get these out of the way, but 23 hatched, and we sold 17. We had 2 not make it, so we're left with 4 black ones, and I'm hoping that 2 of them are the 2 dark ones that were in here, the black copper Maran eggs, because unfortunately we have a predator issue and my black copper Maran is gone. So I'm hoping she's just like on a nest hiding somewhere, but I really doubt it. So anyway, that's the update with the hatching eggs. Sorry I didn't get a video of them hatching this time. Alright, let me check on this bag. Wow. See how it's definitely wet under there. It's crazy. Yep. It's almost empty, but it works. Awesome. So I'm in the garden space, and I think this right here is something we planted. We definitely need to get out here and water it. Oh, there's something else right there. See if I can. Right there. Don't know what that is either. Kind of looks the same. Maybe. Yeah, it's got a leaf like this on it. Maybe 2 things? This is something else that's different. That's not like this or like that. This is different. So maybe that's something we grew. I don't really see anything up here. Yeah, that's different. So those 4 little plants are the only thing that we've noticed that are different. It might not be weeds. Oh, and there's another little 2 there next to those. So maybe we have 6 plants. I'm hoping there's more that we're not seeing, but oh, there's a big one over there. Oh, I don't think I can zoom in. Right there. I don't think I showed that one to y'all yet. No, the other ones were over here, I believe. Oh, sorry. So, yeah, that over there, that big one, and there's one here, and then these 2. So maybe we have a few that we're unaware of. I go around ants. Anyway, William's gonna water tonight. So, the rooster's chasing the duck, or the goose, the duck. I don't know, they're crazy. They don't get along very well. They don't hurt each other, but anyway, I'm gonna go back in. That's a little update on what I've done this weekend, I guess. Wilbur. There's a rooster in the background. I gave the pigs some grass, and now they're all noisy and stuff. Anyway, this is a separate video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along on our little journey. Have a great day. Happy Easter.